If you're looking for a strong and secure MagSafe mount for your bigger camera, or really any way you'd want to use your MagSafe for any mounting, this is a really good one that's also extremely compact when you fold it all the way down. So we open this thing all the way up. We can put our phone on there with MagSafe. Very strong, very secure. And it's also rotatable. So when you take this thing up, you can twist this thing around if you need to. Very strong joints. So when you get the angle right, it's going to stay there for you. It's not going to wear. And I like that a lot. There's a lot of other ones out there that are very loose. This one is strong. But yeah, you have different options here at the bottom. You have a quarter thread mount, so you can just put that onto a tripod itself or any other quarter thread mounts. And you can untwist this red part, so you can use this as a cold shoe to put on your bigger cameras or whatever. So if you want to get that B-roll camera sitting on top of your big camera, and yeah, you can get some really cool and clever shots. If you don't have MagSafe on your phone, or maybe you're wanting to use a light or something like that, it does come with a little adhesive MagSafe ring that you can put on that device, and that will also connect to it as well, which is always a plus. But very strong magnet, very strong joints, and very strong material. And the fact that it folds down that small makes it compact and easy to take with you everywhere. So I like it a lot, highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.